Hello, my dear children. Grade 6 English Medium Geography. I warmly welcome you to this video lesson. This is the first part of the lesson of Unit 3 of Geography, Grade 6 English Medium. It is about good maintenance of the immediate surroundings of your home. What is the topic, my dear? Good maintenance of immediate surroundings of your home. Now let's look at the topic. Look at the topic now, my dear. Good maintenance of the immediate surroundings of your home. What is the good maintenance? What is the maintain? So we have to maintain our body. Brushing teeth, washing the body, having good food, are some factors to help for a good maintenance of the body. So you have to sweep the house, clean the house, you have to paint the house. They are the things that help to maintain your house. What is maintain? Keeping good qualities for a long time. Keeping good conditions for a long time. It is called maintenance. Maintenance. Good maintenance of the immediate surroundings of your home. What is the immediate surroundings? That means very close environment. Immediate means very, very close. Surroundings means environment. Very close environment of your house, of your home, of your school. So we are going to study how to protect and look after the very close environment of our house, of your house, my dear children. I know that you can understand what you are going to learn now. So some students live in villages. They have very natural environments, paddy fields, forest, hills, waterfalls, lands, forest. But some students live in urban areas, that means towns. They don't have paddy fields, no forest, no waterfalls, no those natural things. But they have roads, factories, buildings, playgrounds, parks. They also have some different things. So whatever the area you live, it is your surroundings. Now I am going to start the lesson with you. Now you can look at the lesson. The surroundings of your home, it has two main parts. First one, natural surroundings. It is natural. It is natural. Second one is man-made surroundings. It is not natural. It is man-made. Man-made environment. Now we are going to understand the main components of the immediate environment of your home. Both natural and man-made. Right? Look at the main or basic components of the immediate natural surroundings of your home. What are the basic components of your native environment, my dear children? Land, water, waterfall, soil, plants, animals, forests, rivers. Atmosphere. What is atmosphere? Vayugolaya. Atmosphere. What else? And you can see some other artificial things, man-made things. roads, buildings, parks, playgrounds. My dear children, they are also the main and basic components of the immediate surroundings of your home. Now you can divide them into natural examples and man-made examples. You can divide them now into natural examples and man-made examples. Okay, my children, we were talking about the natural surroundings as well as the man-made surroundings of your home, very close to your home. You understood about them. Now, I am going to talk a very important part. It is about the different ways of utilizing the land. Mention the different ways in how the land is utilized by the humans. How does the land is utilized by the man for different purposes? That is the main thing that you are going to talk. Look at the question. How the land is used. How the land is used by humans. Okay. How the land is used by humans. So they use the land for building homes. That is, we can say for settlements. For settlements means village, hometowns, for cities, whatever that. The main purpose is building homes for living. Then they use the land for farming. That means for agricultural purposes. For farming, cultivating crops, for agriculture, for different purposes of agriculture. We know that they grow tea, rubber, coconut, paddy, grains, vegetables, fruits, herbal species of herbal plants. They grow different types of flowers on the land. Additionally, they use the land for industries. Okay. For factories, they use the land for factories, building up factories. For factories, for industries, to produce the things, to produce computers, to produce vehicles, to produce chemicals, to produce food items. They use the land. And they use the land for playgrounds. For the playground. So for the playground, children's park, schools, temples, for social work. So we can understand how the humans utilize the land, that means using, utilize the land in different ways. Now we are going to understand those things properly. Look at again. For settlements, that means villages. Number 2, for agriculture, that means farming. Next one, for establishing industries. Number 4, for irrigational activities. What is the irrigational activity? Irrigational means Varimarga, building up tanks like Parakram Samudra, Kalavav, and reservoirs, Samanala, Uttavalave, reservoirs, Lakshapan, reservoirs, and for canals, Minipay Canal, Alahar Canal, Yoda Canal. So there are many canals. Understand? For paddy fields, for agricultural purposes. for irrigational purposes. Then for constructions of buildings, temples, and other religious places, for schools, for government offices, companies, constructions of buildings, for exploiting mineral resources. Exploiting mineral resources. That means for the excavation of gems, sand, and other types of mineral resources. Maybe, petrol, diesel, those fossil fuels, mineral oils. There are different types of mineral resources in Sri Lanka, in Russia, in India, in America. So we dig the land. We go down the land and take them out. Then for building cities, and for building cities, to build up new cities, and for the existence of flora and fauna. Why? The land is utilized not only by the humans, the land is utilized by animals also, by plants also. The plants also need the land. Animals also need the lands because of their habitats, for the habitats, living places, and actually for the existence of fauna and flora and flora, wildlife animals, fauna, and wild plants. And next, to construct highways and expressways. So I gave you a list of uses of the land, the different ways in how the land is utilized by the humans. Right. Now we are going to talk so many things about this. This is very important. So I was talking about them with you. Now I am going to start next part of the lesson. My dear children, after that, I am going to discuss with you how we should utilize the land properly. So that is very important because we are going to talk how to maintain the immediate surroundings of a home. So some people throw garbage here and there. They dump garbage by the roadsides. They cut trees. They flatten the lands. They block the drains, putting those garbage and polythene and plastic materials into the drains. Drains are blocked. They misuse the land. So we are going to learn how to protect the land. Now let's see how to conserve the land. How do you maintain your immediate surroundings properly? What should you do? You can prepare a home garden at your home. Then it is very clean. You can use kitchen waste and other garbage as manure, as manure, and you can build up some rock hedges to stop soil erosion. Anyway, preparing home gardens and preparing school gardens are very good idea. Number 3, use them to a plan and property. So we have to prepare a plan for the land. The plan for a washroom or toilet, garbage pit, unuwala, home, the well. So we have a plan. We should have a plan for the land. Then only we can protect the land. And we can grow trees to stop the soil erosion. We can grow more trees, crops to stop soil erosion. We can build up stone ledges, galvati. We can construct stone walls to cover and to stop the soil erosion. And actually we can make drains. We can put drains. Then we can stop the soil erosion and we can maintain our land properly. And actually we can cover the land with the coir dust and some straw, some dried leaves, so we can cover with them. Then only we can protect the land there. And don't waste those kitchen waste here and there. You can use the kitchen waste into a garbage pit and you can make compost. Then your home garden will be very pleasant, very nice and interesting. And you can protect the land properly. Anyway, there are different types of ways how can we use the land properly. Right. Now I am going to talk about the bad defects when the land is used improperly. What are the bad defects? When the land is used badly, improperly. That's why you must learn to use the land properly. Destruction of the ecosystem. When we use the land improperly, we don't know about the damage to the environment. Ecosystem, parisara paddhatiya will be damaged, will be destructed. And soil erosion, soil erosion will happen badly. It is very bad. Then the soil will become infertility. Plants will not grow. The soil worms will die, like earthworm will die. Then destructions of the animal habitats, the animals' living places, those trees and other places will be destroyed. Without animals, only humans cannot live here. We must need animals, bees, butterflies, rabbits, so many animals. We need every animal, even the dragonfly, frog, we need all the animals. Landslides will occur. Landslides, the land will go down. It is very bad. Now I have landslides and floods, Ganmature, and droughts near the long period of with the less rains and without raining. Long periods. The animals will die, plants will die, finally humans will die. Now Sri Lanka doesn't get much rain because our people do not grow more trees. They cut only the trees and actually shortage of drinking pure water. Then we will not get water. We will not get water. We will get shortage. Shortage of drinking water and the soil infertility are the main problems that we are facing because of the improper proper use of the land. My dear children, I'm going to meet you from next video to talk about the second part of this lesson. So you learned about the immediate surroundings of your home garden, of your home, and the uses of the land, and how the land is badly used by the man. How the land is badly used by the man. That's all. Then I wish you all the best. I hope you join my next video and my class. Then my children, you can take a book and you can note down them very well by listening to my lecture. And by see you, my dear children.